Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see about how to use Fcn or function block in Simulink. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon and a notification button for notification about upcoming videos. We'll start with implementation of Fcn function block in Simulink. Just go to MATLAB and click this Simulink window and then click this block model. In order to get Fcn block, you can type here Fcn function. Here I am going to generate the three-phase sinusoidal waveform. That means I am going to generate sine omega t and then sine omega t plus 120 degree and sine omega t plus 240 degree. I am going to generate three-phase sinusoidal waveform by using the Fcn block or function block in the MATLAB. Here you can go inside. When go inside, you can provide the expression for your equation. You can see here that two things. You can see that E of 1, E of 2. The E of 1, E of 2, nothing but number of input the function going to be received. Here they use sine E of 1 multiplied with the exponential of 2.3 into minus v of 2. In this expression, default expression, it can receive two inputs. One is v of 1, another one is v of 2. E of 1 means first input, e of 2 means second input. But in our condition, we are going to generate sine waveform, three-phase sine waveform, sine omega t. The one input will be t, clock input. So we are going to provide clock input for that function block. Here already you know omega equal to 2 pi. I am going to create the expression for sine omega t, sine of 2 star pi star f. Here I am going to consider frequency equal to 1 star t. V of 1 nothing but I am going to consider is t. So we need to provide clock input for that function. So this is one block. This is nothing but sine omega t. Next I am going to generate sine omega t plus 120. In this expression I am going to add the phase angle delay. I am going to generate 120 divided by 360 degree. 120 divided by 360. This should be converted into radian, right? I'm going to multiply it with the 2 pi. Sine omega. Here you sure about the brackets. And then I'm going to generate omega t plus 240 degree. Just I'm going to replace this 120 by 240. These are the equation we are generated for generating three-phase sine wave by using this Fcn block. Next we need to provide input. Just I'm going to use clock input. Clock input is the input for the Fcn block or to generate three-phase sine wave. I am going to use mux now to combine these three output from the Fcn block. Next I am going to use scope window to see the results. And one more thing, go to this configuration property and go to additional parameter. Just you go to change maximum step size equal to e power minus 5. And next I'm going to go to this settings and I'm going to use forward steps which is equal to 2000. So next I'm going to simulate this model. Let test the model. It is working fine. Now I'm going to change the display. Change the display of scope. You have to get the result clearly. Now we are seeing that we are generating a sine wave, three-phase sine wave by using the Fcn block. Each the main and the pink color you can see that it start from 0 degree. The blue color is start from 120. The red color waveform start from 240 degree. Each having 120 degree phase shift. We can use the Fcn block for generating the waveform, or you can use the Fcn block for a different application according with your application. Okay. This is the working of Fcn block in this Simulink. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe to our channel and also click notification button, turn on notification button for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.